that way if I didn't want to go back through that 25 foot of it's quite shallow. You can walk across all those stones there, get right into the middle of the river. Right, so you go uphill a little bit here till the two paths meet on the junction. So you can see people are trying their best to get rid of these muddy bits by putting tree trunks, but they're round so they're easy to slip off. You lose your balance and away you go. There's got to be like flat planks, like scaffolding boards to help you, where you can just walk straight across. Especially like to me that's got any, like, you know, bad balance issues. Listen. Droplets of water through the canopy, that's it. That's all I can hear. Right, up the hill we go to meet with this other track coming from the left. And then further along there's a track goes up, off left and away from the waterfall. And you can follow it right out and get out to the end of the park and get on the road which surrounds the estate. Turn right and go out and it takes you back on the main road. Then you turn right again at the end and then it takes you to STICHILL village. I know all the roads and pathways around here now, so I've been backwards and forwards that many times and took all the paths off to find out where they went. Right, so here's this track coming down from the left, from the mansion up there. Right, let's have a look. Right, so you come up, so if you come straight over from the bridge where I started to go, follow it right to the back end of the forestry, it bends around the right and starts coming up here. It skirts along the edge of the mansion grounds. You come through the metal gates, you come down the zigzag path and it brings you down here. And this is the back of the main path that's going to take us along to the waterfall. This is a place where my daughter could come as well and go and have a swim in the splash pool at the bottom because it's deep enough to have a swim or even a plunge, or just like sit down in the water so it goes up to your neck. It's deep enough for that. And when it's been raining, it's really deep. Doug's gone in there for a swim all the time. Oh, there's just a couple of trees falling down over the path. Yep. These weren't here before. So this is a new addition. Just have to go to the right and step through them and then get back on the path. Or see if I can get underneath them without having to do a limbo dance. Limbo. More tea, Vicar. I think it's because I had chorizo sausages for my tea yesterday. Right, I might be able to just duck under this one here, where it's supported by this limb. Yeah, you'll get under here. You can see where other people have been doing the same. Right, that was easy enough. But this is a very popular place where people come in here in the summer and the kids going in for a swim and that, and even the parents going in for a plunge to cool off when it's a red hot summer. And obviously all the locals come down here from STICHILL and the surrounding villages, Eccles, Ednam. So you haven't got to be in a hurry to get back to South Shields as well, because they don't open the roads up again until 5 o'clock. So if I go back early, it means I've got to go rerun through Borden to get back into South Shields and get back to my house. So I'm on the opposite side of the John Reed Road, because that's all blocked off till the race is over, and they take all the cones away and everything, take away the metal barriers. I'm very surprised I haven't seen anybody else coming along here yet. Right, so there's the path I'm on about that goes up, it bends round to the left, and it just goes right along. And if you keep going to the far side, you come on the grounds, the road that comes out past the grounds and takes it onto the main road at the far side. And I came here with Jim, and we went up there and had a look at the top of the waterfall. When you go to the top and then drop down through the trees and look down from the top of the waterfall. And then we decided to walk along the track there and see where it broke out. I always like to explore the different pathways. I can hear fast moving water now, so you can tell we're getting close to the waterfall. Can you hear it? Yep. Right, more mud and slush to get past. You can see where people have gone round and round, trying to get the best dry solution to get past. And flattened in most of it. Right, so here we are at the building just before you hit the waterfall. It's like the old part of a castle. It's got the coat of arms above the door. So this is another reason why I believe that this is all part of like Freemasons dating back. Because the grounds and the acreage they've got is just colossal. Right, here we are at the waterfall. Let's see how good it is. Well, it looks like it's running quite fast. Right, so this is where my daughter can come and have a plunge in here. People just wade across there in the shallow, where you can see all the boulders on the bottom, and go around the far side. I did once, I brought me fishing waders, boots, put them on and went right across the far side so I could get a square on shot of the waterfalls. There's a big wooden door there that could be used to, like as a raft, to float on top of the water and go further out. Somebody's been camping here, they've got a fire here. So So everybody comes and sits on these bars, got the kids, they undress them there and they come wandering down here and start going in for a fludge. And the dog's gone in, running after the ball, and gone and get the ball back out. And it's solid, this bit would not be great for a wrap. Oh yeah, look at that. There we go. You see where people are scrambled up there to get on that path that goes up to the top of the waterfall instead of going right round. Right, that'll just go and get stuck on the rocks just over there. But the waterfall is absolutely spectacular. You can see how wide it is across the top. So when it's been pissing through the rain, all that way you can see green moss and it comes across onto the grass. So it's really wide and running powerful down to the bottom splash pool here. Because it's down in this circular cavern, it's the wind is kept to a minimum as well. So I'm just wondering if people have been going up there before and scrambling through those spiky bushes there and gone on the rocks and jumping in or diving in. Certainly looks like it. Well, I think that's just been used as a bridge to get across where the water comes that high, starts making a separate stream here. So you've either got to use these stepping stones here to get across. There's our branch there, it's stuck on the border now. So people, I hope you like what you're seeing. I'll go back and then go up that track, and then drop down through the wire fence and go to the top and point my camera down at the top of the waterfall for you as well. Well, it's a lovely place to visit. You see where they've scrambled up through there as well. Trying to do a shortcut to get up on that track that goes up the hill. Right, so back along this flattened bit, go around these muddy bits, then go up the bank. So that's another reason why I don't like bringing my mobile phone out with us as well, because I don't like being pestered by technology when I'm out doing these hikes. I come up here for peace and quiet and enjoy the fresh air and the surrounding beauty, and don't want to be disturbed by mobile phones going off and getting the radiation off them when they're switched on constantly. I mean, people take them to bed with them on and have them on the bedside cabinet, and they wonder why they get all these migraines. Stupid buggers. It's really steep going up here. It's easy to come and doing. I remember coming with Corn and there was a bloody big log here. He grabbed it, hadn't he, picked it up and he started carrying it up the bloody hill. He was so strong on that dog, unbelievable. For a little staff, he was a strong bugger, and his jaw. So there was some weight in the bloody tree log as well he picked up. We still dragged it up here, no bother. That's why I've designated a folder and called it Corn's Happy Memories. So anything I could find archived with Corn in it, I've saved it all into a folder to do with Corn when he was out with me. Right, so that's where me and Jimmy follow the track round. Right, so let's work my way down here. Wait a minute, I'll go down in a minute. Right, stop recording for now.